everyone, this is Smriti. So today I'm going to a cafe. Basically, I'm going to Tim Hortons to have coffee and work from there because like from last few days I've been working and staying indoors only. So I was feeling like going out today. So going to grab a coffee and gonna work there. So I'll take you through my day. From last 15 days I've been staying in Delhi with my sister and we are going together because we basically work together only. So we decided to plan out few things about the work, how we can upscale, and there are some strategies that I learned recently, so I'm gonna teach that to her, and she has also learned few things related to marketing that I'm gonna learn from her. And this is the perk of having a sibling who works with you, so you both grow together. So here are our coffees. दिखाओ आपको क्या है ये? Why do you always take इतनी बड़ी कॉफी? आपको
While you enjoy the time lapse, let me reintroduce myself. So hi guys, this is Smriti. I'm an online business owner. Basically, I make money through social media, selling digital products, doing affiliate marketing, doing UGC content for brands and various other ways. And at the same time, I help people make 3 to 5 lakh rupees per month using the exact same strategies I used to grow from zero to more than 3 crores until now. And let me tell you, I find myself to be really blessed that I have this kind of freedom in my life that I can literally work from anywhere just like I'm doing right now. And this isn't luck but my decision to live life on my own terms. So I replied to all the pending Instagram and WhatsApp messages, planned my content for the upcoming week, and let me tell you something interesting. I am also working on some AI projects. Right now I am really into AI because it makes my work so much easier. And let me tell you this right now that this is an era of AI and automations to make money. Master it right now before it's too late for you.
I was working from last 2 hours, and as you can see on my dashboard that I have already made more than $1,000, which is like approx $1,200 I've made, which is approx like 1 lakh Indian rupees. And I am working from a cafe today and just worked 2 hours in a single day, still made this huge amount. And why this has happened is because I chose freedom in my life. I decided one day that I am not going to settle in a 9 to 5. I am not going to settle in a 30,000 per month job, and I am going to build my own income stream, and I am going to build multiple income streams for myself on which I am working right now, and that is why this kind of result is possible. Then I had to start my online income source. Like nobody in my friends or family circle was doing this, and everybody said at that time, "That's Smriti, why are you doing this? Why are you not doing a 9 to 5 job like us?" And I was pretty sure that I don't want to settle in less. I wanted to do something big for myself, and I started my journey anyways because I wanted to make money. I couldn't see my parents facing financial problems, and these were the motivation why I started my journey. And I always wanted to do something of my own. I always had this kind of boss girl energy. I always wanted to be my own boss, and that's how I started my journey. And today I am making more than $1,200 in a single day. Earlier I was working only and only with Indian clients and Indian platform. Now I have expanded my work within 2 years to international audience, and now I make money in INR, I make money in dollars, and this is how I have grown here. And I have also trained so many students. Like I have trained more than 2,500 students personally myself. So this opportunity is for everybody. Even if you are a student working or you're a housewife, you want to get started, you want to change your life, this is the perfect opportunity for you. I started when nobody believed in me. Only my parents were there who were supporting me. My mom only gave me money to buy the courses and mentorships, and that's how I started learning digital skills. And and today I have all the freedom to work from anywhere. And this is something I want to tell all the girls watching this video, that if you are 18 plus, you can take charge of your own finances, you can make your own money, travel the world, have all the freedom in your own life. And if you have all the freedom in your life, if you are making money, your life will be 100% sorted. Trust me on it. Still have like almost more than an hour left before my flight starts to board. So now I am super hungry because it is already like 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So I'm gonna just eat something. My sister suggested me to try strawberry matcha from Tim Hortons. So I guess I'll find Tim Hortons here at Delhi Steven. I mean, I have only once tried matcha, and that too it was unflavored and I didn't like it. It felt like I'm having some grass or whatever. I didn't like it, so I'm gonna try it once again. Let me see if it is worth the hype. I was super hungry and I decided to go to the lounge. It's here only in Calm Lounge, and I'm gonna have lunch here and then gonna board my flight. I don't know if I'm gonna get time to try strawberry matcha or not, but let's see. First, let me eat something and then decide it. It's been like 2 years of creating content continuously, but still when I have to like shoot in public, I feel so nervous. Right now I'm feeling so nervous because I'm recording in public, but this is how my work works and this is how I make a lot of money. And I really love working hard for you guys so that you get to see these kind of crazy vlogs. I have been traveling the whole day today, but still managed to make $512 until now. I worked in the lounge when I got some free time, and here you can see I have created a result. And $512 means I have made 45,000 Indian rupees. This is a huge amount to be made in a single day, and this is only possible if you learn digital products, social media, AI, how to automate your business, and this is how you make money passively. If you want to learn, I have mentioned all the details in the caption. Feel free to reach out to me and I will help you out. I just reached home and I was reflecting on this thing I wanted to share with you all. I am really grateful in my life, and I admit it proudly, because like 2 years back I never thought that I will be able to afford flying every single month with my own money. I am not dependent upon my parents or a man, somebody else. No, not at all. This is what I earn myself and I spend on myself. Like 2 years back I never thought that I will be living this kind of dream life. This was my dream life 2 years back, and sometimes I just sit, I write down the things that I have achieved. Like I am able to afford a house, I am able to travel by flights, I am able to give my parents everything they deserve. I told them that you don't have to worry about money because I am here to support you now. I have retired both my parents and now I am able to do all of it for them and for my family, and I'm really grateful for it. Even if you are making your dream amount after 10 years, even if you're making like 2 lakh per month, 3 lakh per month, after 10 years, you will sit and you will see that you don't have the kind of freedom that you deserve in your life. You will have your family, and then you will think, if I had freedom, my life would have been completely different. And this is why I tell everybody that start a side hustle today. Maybe your side hustle will turn into a full-time income opportunity just like mine, and your life changes completely. And in 2025, you cannot not give excuse that you don't know how to make money, you don't know how to become successful, you don't know what is the first step, you don't know what is the roadmap to become successful, because everything is out there on social media. You get mentorships, you get courses, and even if you want to learn from YouTube, learn from YouTube. Just get all that knowledge that you need. In 2025, AI and automations are super trending. Digital products are super trending because you have social media at your advantage. Why don't you use it? Why don't you make money from it? Because I've literally seen 18-year-old girl in my personal mentorship making more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees every single month. I feel so happy for her. I have even seen 9 to 5 job holders, people who are literally working 9 to 5, people who are literally working 8 to 9 hours of shift in an office, and then also they are making money from the side hustle. They are making money from the digital product. They are making money from social media. So all of it is possible if you choose that this is something I need for myself after 10 years, after 5 years, after 1 year, after 5 years, whatever is your timeline, you can 100% do it. And if you're giving this kind of excuse that I don't have time, let me tell you, every single person wastes at least 6 to 8 hours every single day, and you can evaluate it. Just give yourself 3 days of time and find out how much time you are spending on social media, just scrolling reels, just watching like unnecessary YouTube videos that is giving you no result. You can utilize that time right now and start making money. And if you are a girl, woman watching this video, let me tell you, becoming financially independent is a must have for you, because I really don't want you to be dependent upon a man or your parents, because you have that potential, you have that capability to do something big in your life. So please don't waste your 20s and 30s just working for somebody else. Start working for yourself. Maybe your dream life is waiting for you. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.